Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you how to create an Etsy seller account 2025 step by step. Alright guys, so let's get started. Your first step should be opening up your browser. So open up your browser. I'm using the Brave browser. So once you've opened up your browser, simply log on to Etsy. That's etsy.com. Go ahead and click on the link to simply log into their platform. Now, once you're on Etsy.com, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sign up for the platform. So go ahead and click on the sign in option here. So just click on sign in, and where it says trouble signing in, just scroll till you find the option to register. So click on register, and as you can see here, by clicking sign in, you continue to use their terms and services and privacy policy. So just go ahead and click on register, and you're asked to provide an email address, a first name, and a password. And it's the same details here. By clicking register or continue with Google, Facebook, you agree to their terms of service. So you could just go ahead with any of these options here that is suitable for you and register for the Etsy application. So I'm just going to be skipping this process and clicking on register. So once you've done that, alright guys, so once you've signed up for Etsy, where we have that on the main tab, where we have your profile icon, click on the drop down and go ahead and select sell on Etsy. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to give you a brief breakdown, is we're going to be signing up for the Etsy program. That's the selling opportunities on Etsy. Just simply click on sell on Etsy. Go ahead and click on sell on Etsy. Once you've clicked on sell on Etsy, you're taken to the etsy.com/sell. And once you're here, all you need to do is just click on either open your Etsy shop or click on get started. So just click on this option here. So the next menu you're taken to is the onboarding screen, where you simply scroll through and click on let's do this. You can view the little instructions and make your shop uniquely yours. Tell us a bit about yourself. So this is what we're going to be going through while creating a shop on Etsy. So click on let's do this. All right, and you're asked what brings you to Etsy. So there are going to be a couple of questions which you can easily skip, or you could answer and continue with your sign up process for the uh, shop. So what brings you to Etsy? I'm here to sell for the first time. Okay, just click on next, and then the next question is going to come up, and you answer as sincerely as you want, or you could just simply click on skip this question to avoid the hassle of answering any questions and just go ahead and set up your Etsy shop. So, is there anything you'd like help with deciding on what to sell, shop naming, um, packing and shipping? Okay. Okay. So once you've ticked off what you need help with, just go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click on next. So once you're done with the setup process, just click on start your shop. So click on start your shop. Alright guys, so welcome to the main menu on the onboarding program, and your shop language is English, your shop country where your shop is located. I'll just go ahead and select a random country. Let's go with Ghana. Okay. Okay, so most countries are not here, so let's just go with the United Kingdom or the United States for those watching from the US. And our currency is set to the US dollar. And now what you need to do after you set up the shop language, country, and currency, go ahead and click on save and continue. And where we have name your shop, just go ahead and give your shop a name between 4 to 20 characters, no special character spaces or accented letters. So I'll just go in and fill in something blank. All right, so once you've entered a name, great thinking, this name is available. Click on save and continue. Okay, so now we need to create a listing, and all you need to do is just add some photos and details about your item. You can fill what you can for now, and then you'll edit it later on. But just go ahead and add a photo so your customers know what they're purchasing. So go ahead and click on add a photo, head into your gallery and just select any of your downloadable images. I'm using a placeholder for this just so I can get across with the tutorial. Now, sometimes you may notice some disclaimer, but that's just because the website does not agree with your format. That's the image format, its size and whatnot. So to go ahead and also add various angles for this image as it's required if it's a digital product. So go ahead and add other viewing angles, And then if you scroll down a bit more after adjusting your thumbnail, you'll find the option to add a video, and it has a max file size of about 100 megabytes. Please take note of this. And if you scroll a bit more, you'll find listing details from its title. Let's just go ahead and enter a little title. Let's call it example digital product. And then we also have about this listing. So where it says who made it, go ahead and select I did. What is it? A finished product. And when did you make it? Go ahead and click on made to order. And then underneath category, I think you can enter digital product and how to's. That option is there. Okay, yeah, guides and how to's. Go ahead and click on this. And then if you scroll down a bit more, you can choose the primary color from black or blue. I'm using blue because that matches my thumbnail. And then secondary color, you can skip that. And then where we have renewal options. So once you list your product, you can set it as automatic or manual. I'm just going to keep it on manual because every 4 months is when your renewal expires. So you can either pay a 20 or 30 cents to automatically renew or set it at manual. And then where we have the type, you can know what type of product is it, a physical or digital. It's a digital. And then go ahead and add a description. So it's going to be an example digital product, so just enter that. And where we have tags, go ahead and add the tags like the shape, color, style, and function. And then we have pricing. So in pricing, go ahead and enter a price that suits you. $10 is okay. And then your quantity as well. And then the personalization if you wish to. And then just click on save and continue. All right, so that's our first listing. And now you can now add more listings or do that later. So just click on do this later. And let's move on. All right, so getting into how you get paid, it's kind of like you're going to need to confirm your account verification on your email. So go ahead and look at that. It's at the top of your screen. So go ahead and confirm your email account. And then where we have getting paid on Etsy, go ahead and click on your country. So select your country. I'm going to be using the UK. And I'm getting paid in Great British pounds. All right, so for tax purposes, just go ahead and select that individual. As we're not a business, just go ahead and select individual. And then where it says tell us a bit about yourself, you're going to have to enter your personal details from your country of residence to your first name and your bank info as well, like your bank name, your sort code, and account number. So I'm just going to be filling all of this in, and then just go ahead and click on save and continue. So just go ahead and enter this. Click on save and continue, and then move on to the next page. And on the next page, you're asked to verify your email. So go ahead and click on the resend email confirmation. And then this is the confirmation email you're getting. So click on confirm account. And welcome back to the Etsy page. You're now requested. Okay, as you can see at the top, it says you've confirmed your email address and your Etsy account is all safe. So now let's head back to Shop Manager. Perform a simple reload once you're on Shop Manager so Etsy knows you're done with the confirmation. Now we have the setup billing. So go ahead and enter your card details and other billing address info and like the name of your card. And once you've done all of this, just go ahead and click on the save and continue. Though there is a little fee you have to pay, which will be charged on your account for setting up, which is about 20 cents. Click on save and continue. And now to keep your shop safe, you're requested to enter an authentication method. So I'm going with SMS and then click on continue. Make sure to change your area code back to the United States area code. I'm going to be using the UK, and then adding my phone number and entering the code. So once the code arrives, just click on save. And then there's still backup codes which are for your account. So now go ahead and open up your shop. All right, guys, so welcome to the Etsy sellers account. And yeah, so we've set up the sellers account, and if you head over to sales channel, you can see our shop right there. So now simply click on this and you'll be taken to where our shop is. You can change the banner, you can change your logo just by clicking on the little edit shop option there. You can also add your new listings to the Etsy page. So head over to listings, and then you can view the listings we just recently added when we were signing up, and then click on the plus to add this listing to our page. Now click on view on Etsy and you'll be able to view the product on your Etsy page. So guys, that's how you can easily go about setting up an Etsy seller account. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.